What's up, guys? AJ with Special Occasions DJ and Lighting, your Indian wedding experts. I'm here to talk to you guys about outdoor weddings. Outdoor weddings. Post-COVID, everybody wants an outdoor wedding. So let's do it. We got ranches, we got beaches, we got all kinds of beautiful places, and we're gonna put you right underneath the stars to dance and have a good time. So when you're having an outdoor wedding, there are a few different types of lighting effects that are commonly used to create a beautiful, intimate, rustic vibe. Now, what are these lighting effects? The first and most popular are market lights. These are the string lights on light bulbs that hang over your event space, sometimes over the dance floor, sometimes over the entire area, and sometimes in just a little part over your stage. Now, in terms of market lighting, a common misconception of market lighting is that it provides all the light that you're going to need in the space. And it's a big misconception because market lights are meant to create a practical effect of candlelight and create that warm but dark vibe. Now, what ends up happening is while we have this romantic vibe going on, we've got a lot of areas that are still dark. Your stage, your dance floor, those need a lot more light to create and demand attention and to make sure that you look beautiful and your guests look beautiful and the people performing on the dance floor look beautiful. Some other areas that also need some more light will be your bars, your buffets, your pathways to certain areas like restrooms, the valet, and other key areas of interest, dessert stations. All these key focal points will potentially need some type of wash lighting when you're having an event outdoors in the evening. Now, when it comes to twinkle lighting, often known as fairy lights, this is a more dense but softer version of market lighting that's often used over dining spaces, over dance floors, and sometimes even the entire event area. This creates a much more dense, whimsy and whimsical type environment for your event. So if you have any questions on outdoor event lighting, make sure to talk to your event professional or give us a call and we'll be happy to help you out, point you in the right direction, and how we can help you out at your event.